I'm going to show you how to create and submit an assignment. So to make an assignment, first thing we have to do is we need to make a subdirectory, a directory within assignments. So I'm going to come over here to assignments, I'm going to right click, I'm going to say new directory. And we want to follow the naming convention for this. So it's A and then the number, let's say it's assignment 5, so we say A5 underscore your last name underscore your first name, and hit enter. Now we have a new folder, new directory under that. So now we make our code file. So I'm going to right click again on the subfolder here, new Python file, again with the naming convention, A and then the number of the assignment, which is 5, underscore your last name, underscore your first name. Hit enter. So now we have a directory with the proper name and a file with the name. So we do our code again. We have our comment blocks here, and then we have our code, print Python is awesome. There we go. Now we're done and we're ready to submit our assignment. So now what we need to do is we need to compress or combine all of the files together before we submit it. So what we can do is we can click here on A5 Tommy, Trojan Tommy, just right click and say open in. Now if you're on a Windows it'll say Explorer, if you're on a Mac it'll say Finder, and just click on that. And there we go, it brings you up the folder. So as you can see, here's my A5 Trojan Tommy folder. If I open it up, there's my code, everything's right. So I want to go back to the folder here, the actual folder Tommy Trojan, and what I do is I right click again and I say send to compressed or zipped folder. If I'm on a Mac, you're going to right click and just say compress. Okay, so in this case I'm on Windows, I'm going to say right click compress zipped folder, and it's going to automatically create the file you want to turn in right there. Whether you're on a Mac or Windows, the same thing, it'll just create the file. So I'm just going to click away. And now we have the file that's the compressed with all the sub files together, and we can submit that. So let's go to Blackboard. So now we're ready to submit. I'm going to go to week 5, scroll down to my assignment 5, and upload files again. Browse local files. And now I'm looking for that zip file that I just made. So I know I have my 115 folder. Gotta go to assignments. And here we go. Here's the folder I made, the directory. But here's the zip file that I have. And that's what I submit. So I click on that. Open up. There we go. It'll say A5 Trojan Tommy.zip, at least on Windows. This is what I want to submit. And I just come over here and I click submit.